This is how you can edit the removed background photo. Click edit and then you can adjust. This is the real photo and then you can adjust the blur. So this is the real photo and then you can adjust. How much blur do you want the background to be? Example, I use the real one and you can just change the background to example it's like this. And you can adjust the blur of every background in this remove.bg. By the way, remove.bg has already provided the background according to your photo. Cool, right? So here, because this is a car, then all of this is almost all road. It's a road. See? Car park and other things too. And you can see this erase and restore. Click that and then you can customize how much do you want to erase or how much do you want to restore the photo. This one you can see the background is removed. But if you want to restore the background, click restore and maximize. Use the most large brush and then just start maybe making a dot. See? It's the real background, so it's restored. The real background is restored. But maybe some of you say, oh, I don't want it like that. So you can just click erase and erase it all. Okay, you just customize this photo as you want. You can just remove the shadow, see? But maybe if you are trying to remove the shadow, it's quite hard because remove.bg has already customized the opacity, so it's kind of hard. After you have finished customizing your photo, you can download this photo and share it with other people.